Good afternoon, Sir Leonardo. The assigned questions to me is all about the contemporary world. First question is, which global phenomenon has increased the demand for skilled worker from the Philippines? A. A global recession. B. Growth of the global outsourcing industry. C. The collapse of the tourism industry would generally lead to a decrease in job opportunities, particularly in sectors directly related to tourism and hospitality. D. Decline in global migration. The correct answer is letter B. Growth of the global outsourcing industry. Why? Because A is a typically lead to reduce the demand for labor as companies face financial challenges and may cut back on hiring. Letter B, it lead to decrease in job opportunities, particularly in sectors directly related to tourism and hospitality. Letter D, a decline in global migration would typically result in a fewer opportunities for skilled workers to find jobs abroad, which could reduce to overall demand for Filipino workers internationally. Number 8, which of the following is an example of how globalization impacts Filipino culture? A. Increased isolation of Filipino communities. B. The growing influence of foreign media and fashion. C. The rejection of modern technologies. D. The decline of social media use. The correct answer is letter B. The growing influence of foreign media and fashion. This is a direct example of globalization impacts foreign media, movies, music, TV shows, and etc. And fashion trends spread through global channels influencing Filipino tastes and preferences. While letter A is a globalization generally leads to greater interconnectedness, not isolation. Letter C, globalization is often associated with the adoption and spread of modern technologies, that is rejection. Letter D, social media is a product of globalization and its interconnectedness. It has actually increased in many countries, including the Philippines. Number 9. Which sector is most affected by the global issues of automation and artificial intelligence? A. Fishing industry. B. BPO or business process outsourcing sector. Letter C. Tourism industry. Letter D. Transportation sector. The correct answer is letter D. Transportation sector. Transportation sector. AI-powered traffic management is transforming the transportation industry, impacting jobs in trucking, ride-sharing, and delivery services. These technology advancements have a potential to replace human drivers, couriers, and transportation operators, while also improving traffic efficiency and public transportation system. While letter A, AI is used in some aspect of fishing, like monitoring and tracking, it hasn't yet significantly impacted the core labor needs of industry. While the BPO sector is heavily reliant on human labor, particularly in customer service and data entry, while AI is automating some tasks, it's not yet replacing the need of the human workers in many areas. Letter C, the tourism industry is more focused on human interaction and experiences, while AI can be used in areas like looking or booking and customer services. The last number, the number 10. How has the global pandemic highlighted the interdependence between local and global health systems? A. The pandemic affected only wealthy nations. B. Local outbreaks were isolated from the global transmission. Or C. Global pandemics required international cooperations for vaccines and medical supplies. Letter D, global health issues have no effect on the Philippines. The correct answer is letter C. Or global pandemics required international cooperation for vaccine and medical supplies. This is the key points. The pandemic showed that developing and distributing vaccines and medical supplies requires collaborations between nations, and sharing knowledge, resources, and expertise was crucial to combating this virus.